Setting up and monetizing a YouTube channel is an exciting journey. First, choose a niche that you're passionate about. This will keep you motivated. Next, create a Google account and set up your channel. Customize it with a catchy name, a compelling description, and eye-catching artwork. Now, let's talk content. Invest in a decent camera and microphone. Quality matters. Plan your videos with a script or outline to keep your message clear. Consistency is key, so stick to a regular upload schedule. Once you've built an audience, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. You'll need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past year. Monetization options include ad revenue, channel memberships, and merchandise shelf. Engage with your viewers through comments and social media to build a community. Remember, it's not just about making money, it's about sharing your passion and connecting with others. Stay authentic, keep learning, and enjoy the ride.